I've made a new art video. Hey guys, it's Kagoe here, and as you can probably tell from that title card, I'm going to be drawing Donna and Angie from Resident Evil Village. So as you can probably tell from my social media, I've been going for like a Resident Evil thing at the moment, and there's not much more to say about it. I don't need to justify my interest, okay? I like drawing Resident Evil. It tickles a part of my brain. And today is no different. I'm going to be drawing it. It's the first drawing video in a little while, so let's do this. Okay, cool. So this is the drawing process. Some people wonder why I don't film me penciling. If I film myself penciling, it would be insanely boring. I usually take ages on that stage. Like, I would be 80% finished penciling, and then I'd be like, actually, you know what, and just rub the whole thing out. Like, it is not video quality, I'm sorry. So what I'm doing is I'm using a quill tip pen. It's got like waterproof cartridges in it, so I can add on like watered ink as I'm doing now, and it doesn't bleed the lines, so I can go a little bit crazy. The tape around it is just to give it like a white border. I kind of find recently like paintings do look better if there's a white border around it. It does like help frame it. It also means like if people like buy the painting, it's easier for them to frame. And yeah, this art style that I'm applying with the ink bleeding in the background is kind of something I used to do like ages ago. Like if you follow me for a while, you know it's like a lot of my older stuff has like really bold colours, strong outlines, and I kind of strayed away from that, I guess. Maybe it's like a confidence thing. So I was like, oh no, I don't want to be seen. I don't want these bold colours. So recently I was like, you know what, I'm just going to experiment. I'm going to try it again. And I think it was kind of cool, to be honest. It makes shading things darker a lot easier. And also, it's particularly appropriate because I kind of try to make it like a family portrait for Donna and Angie. And the darkness of the background and the boldness of the inks, it makes the painting look older, and it sort of goes with the setting of the game. But yeah, the general tones of it is like shades of green, yellow, and blue. Like it's quite a gloomy image, colouring wise, which is why I guess it makes it funnier that they're having such goofy expressions, because I try to make it look as gothic as possible. Man, I should be saying something right now, but I'm just doing skin tones. Like, I don't know what to say. Like, yeah, I made her look even more like a corpse. Like, I feel like the more realistic she looks and the goofier she looks, the better. Like, just make it like a massive contradiction. I guess a side note is, I noticed like some artists who do Resident Evil stuff, when they draw Donna, they like either draw her with both eyes, or they do like a little scar or like a little scratch, and it's almost like they like don't want her to look deformed. And like obviously like everyone to whatever they like, but for me it's like, no, embrace the fact she's got a parasite growing out of her eye. Like it makes her cool. Like don't oh my god, what's the right word? Don't take the parasite away from Donna, okay? Like that's such a core part of her character. Play on it. Like, yeah. Oh my god, it's finished. Yeah, so that was the painting. Let me know what you guys think. Actually, no, it's not over because I have to fucking... It's like caught in this like watercolour like block, and you have to remove it. And the last one I did that, I ripped it, and I just lose my mind every time because I am not good with stuff like this. I am dyspraxic as shit, and it's always the thing, you spend like hours, sometimes days in a painting, and you think, fucking hell, I gotta cut it out as well, like all that work, and just go up in like not literal flames, but almost, because I was ripped. I can't do anything with ripped painting apart from just like feel sorry for myself. So this is like sped up, but like real time I am absolutely petrified and just doing this as slowly and smoothly as possible. I think it came out more or less perfectly, but yeah, still very tense times. That's what the finished thing looks like, and back to past me. And yeah, here it is finished. I don't know if the camera's going to zoom in on it. I was very nervous cutting it out because usually I end up ripping it in half, but this one has like survived my intricate hand skills.
Mamma mia!
I'm gonna put this on my Etsy store, and as well as some other stuff, so I'll leave a link below to all my shenanigans, so please check it out. Maybe you'll see something that you'll like. I don't know how to like advertise my art. This is kind of embarrassing, but it means a lot if you look at it, I guess. Let me know if what you guys would like me to draw next. Leave a comment down below, and like and subscribe, all that stuff. I'm going to be making more drawing videos. This is not going to be like an annual thing. I realise my art channel is mainly dedicated to my breakdowns, but I think it's time to return to my roots and just do drawing videos. Yeah, until the next one, bye!